Pollux believes the entire procedure will require approximately 183 paradoxes. 84 if the blob participate. Sir, might I suggest we allow the terracnoids to examine the chamber before testing the machine?
What's the matter, Lawrence? Chicken?
Whoopsies, sir. Butterfingers.
I just learned that the Lawmaxers have destroyed the PX-99. Our sentries are searching for their vessel's signature as we speak.
Unacceptable! I practically handed those squishies to you on a silver platter! How could you be so utterly incompetent?
I'll leave you two alone.
If Ratchet or the owner find the clock, our plans will be ruined! Your body will remain crushed and abandoned on Zorik. Is that what you want? I'm bringing in specialists! Cassiopeia!
Well, hello there.
Karina!
Bonjour.
And Libra.
Hey, how you doing?
Valkyries! Decades ago, your colony was atomized in the Erebus supernova. How would you like to have it back?
That was incredible, sir! Yeah, wow, kaboom! And then you had that awesome one-liner! What was that again?
Oh, yes. One hypersonic brainwave scrambler. Scrambled.
Oh, yeah! That was cool! Orientation room this way! Just use your helipad, sir. What do they say? Never put up today what you've already done yesterday. No, that's not right. Always do today what you didn't put off yesterday. No, that wasn't it either. Oh, well, it was something about doing stuff and when it should be done. This way, sir.
Failure detected.
There's another one.
Recommend replacement immediately.
Sigmund, why am I not affected by
Temporal
time?
recording
That's your
initiated.
quantum actuator at work. It provides temporal immunity for those of us who protect at time.
Temporal recording initiated. Temporal recording initiated.
Come on, orientation room this way. This is the most awesomest part of the clock. Large screen Crystal X display. BG 9800 game system. The works. Take a seat, sir. Orientation video's about to start. Dun-da-da-da! Orvis Industries presents The Great Clock and You with your host, Orvis.
Hello! And, oh, is it on? Sigmund, the light is blinking. Should it be blinking?
Nah, hold on, sir. Okay, try now.
Hello, and welcome to the Great Clock. You're here because you've been selected to join our team. And we couldn't be happier to have you. We have a lot to discuss. But first, let's take a look at what the Great Clock is. Eons ago, our kind entrusted the Fongoids with a special gift. The gift of time travel. We had hoped it would enrich their lives as it did ours, but unfortunately...
They loused it up!
Sigmund, let's just say they were overzealous in its use. After only 3,000 short years, the Fongoid's use of time travel wore the space-time continuum thin. Paradoxes stacked on top of paradoxes, conundrums on top of conundrums, until one day, a tiny rift in the continuum destroyed 83 celestial entities. Existence, it seemed, was at an end. If the universe was to survive, it would need a heart transplant. So, I designed a special gift to repair the damage. The Great Clock, built in the exact center of the universe, give or take 50 feet. The clock would repair the rift and restore temporal normality to the universe. And that, my son, is where you come in. There are only 2 rules concerning the operation of the Great Clock. Number 1, under no circumstances is it to be used as a time machine. The clock is not meant to alter time, only to keep it. Number 2, should you find yourself wanting to use the clock as a time machine, consult rule number 1. Did you hear that, Sigmund? Because rule number 1, you see, says don't do it.
Brilliant, sir.
All right. Let's go have some tea.
Incredible. The Great Clock is responsible for temporal stability across the universe.
Now you know why Orvis kept it such a secret. Without this station, the universe would just collapse on itself.
And where is the real Orvis?
I told you. It's a secret. Now, come on. It's time for another lesson.
Hello, XG0461. It's good to see you again. And now it's time for your most important lesson.
What am I learning this time?
The clock's primary function is to maintain temporal normality. When that normality is threatened, you must act to repair it immediately.
Time anomalies detected on Creely Comet.
The Creely Comet. Beautiful, isn't it? But as you can see, it has fallen prey to temporal rifts. As caretaker, it's up to you to fix it. Go ahead, give it a try. Fix the rifts by focusing your chronoceptor's beam on each anomaly. Be sure to stay away from anomalies you've already repaired.
1.
Fix the rifts by focusing your chronoceptor's beam on each anomaly. You're doing quite well.
Temporal rhythm impact in 3, 2, 1.
Keep going, just a few left.
Temporal rhythm impact in 3, 2, 1.
Excellent work, dear boy. Now come, there's one more thing I want to show you. When they fire at you, just swing your chronoceptor and give them a taste of their own medicine. is also handy for rewinding anything your enemies throw at you. I hope you don't mind, but I borrowed these figments from your subconscious. All right, figments, snap to it. You're natural. Wonderful. It very much reminds me of a sport I read about once called baseball. I am very proud of you, XJ0461. And now, you're ready for the task ahead. Go forth and fix time. Save the universe. When you're ready, my chamber will be waiting. Program terminated.
Welcome back, sir. Are you ready to repair time?
Ready as I will ever be. What is the chamber?
Ormus chamber. That's the main control hub of the entire facility. It's also the most secure. I've never been inside it myself, but I hear it's a master suite. This is our plan. Your first task is seeing your character. It's to repair the damage done. There. Just meet me back here when you're finished.
Anomaly detected on planet Quantum. Quantum restoration initiated. Quantum restoration terminated. Quantum restoration initiated. Temporal rhythm inbound in 3, 2, 1. Temporal rhythm inbound in 3, 2, 1. Warning. Temporal rhythm inbound in 3, 2, 1.
Pretty good at this, sir.
Warning. Wait. Warning. Temporal normality restored to planet Quantum's.
That was amazing, sir.
Temporal recording initiated. 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 Failure detected in Delta 3021737. Recommend replacement immediately. Quantum revolution initiated. Temporal ribbon inbound in 3, 2, 1. Temporal ribbon inbound in 3, 2, 1. Temporal normality restores to planet Torrent 4. Prepare for engineering deck 13. Lockdown terminated. Temporal recording initiated. Temporal recording initiated.
Hold on, sir. I'll be at the door.
Temporal recording initiated. 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 Clock welders dispatched to primary contact. All personnel please
Doors open, sir.
Will the junior caretaker please report to Grab Station 7 for the use maintenance? Thank you. Time anomalies detected on planet Terracnos. Quantum restoration activated. Temporal rhythm impact in 3, 2, 1. Temporal rhythm inbound in 3, 2, 1. Temporal normality restored to planet Terracnos.
I am the junior caretaker computer. Now open the door.
It would not hurt to say please once in a while. Accessing archives.
Hello,
Sigmund. Just wanted to let you know I will be traveling to the Tongli outpost on Xanathar and will not be back until morning. A fellow scientist has requested an audience with me, and etiquette dictates I comply.
Don't go, sir.
Mind the clock while I'm gone. Wind the time cleaners and, Sigmund, let's just keep this our little secret. As the kids say, BRB.
Please don't go.
End recording.
It's dangerous.
Now entering Corvus sector. Warning. Warning. Hostile ships detected.
Well, well, well. What do we have here? Oh, looks like this Lola is lost.
What do you say, girls? Should we help him find his way?
Copy. We picked up a signature 3,000 kilocubits north of Orak Minor. It's a Lola ship. General Asman, the bounty's up to 2 million bolts on him. Lyra, be a good girl and take care of our friend. We'll kill the Elder.
General, come in. We've got hostile ships inbound.